Please keep singing the lullaby. I am the gray. I come to bring the knowledge of the old wise ones that protects the earth. We hear your voices. We acknowledge the pain. We understand the importance of being one with nature. Allow now yourselves to be guided by the earth spirits as you embrace the nature beings and allow them to be part of your life. The lullaby that you bring will bring peace to the nature beings. Need now to understand that the human race have neglected the earth and the power that reside within. We ask you, my friends, to hear the pain of your mother and to open your hearts once again and to acknowledge that you are one. And as you are killing your mother, you are killing yourself. So be wise. Be wise in your choices as a human. Your life depends on it. Your brother and sister's life depend on it. You are called upon. I bless you. I bless the water. I bless the wind. I bless the earth. And I bless the fire that you reside within. Bring peace, my friends. Peace within your hearts. And peace between all. Farewell.